Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Matt Hart's Ice Cream. Today we're trying the Dairy Queen Blizzard of the Month for January, the Birthday Cake Oreo. Now, the Birthday Cake Oreo is, of course, Oreo Blizzard with frosting and sprinkles. Unfortunately, the Birthday Cake Blizzard is 810 calories with 35 grams of fat for a small. So I'm kind of a bit worried because not only there's just a ton of calories in there, but I'm kind of iffy on sprinkles. I've only ever had meh or disgusting, terrible sprinkles. So I could pretty much give or take sprinkles. The sprinkles I think will make or break this blizzard, in my personal opinion. So let's see what this is gonna be. Well, it tastes birthday cakey. Tastes Oreo-y. And great news, the sprinkles don't suck. So yeah, this is a really fun blizzard. I love birthday cake, I love Oreos, so I'm really glad to have this thing. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to have to give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month for January, the Birthday Cake Oreo, 4 scoops of happiness.